Good morning and welcome to another hiking edition of our P&W Adventures.
From a new spot.
Today we are at Norway Pass Trailhead. And yeah, nice easy, I think 7 miles. I don't know, we've never did this before. And we're gonna end up at a Grizzy Lake.
Ooh.
So yeah, we're gonna start off on the boundary trail and go that way, and then the lake. We're good?
Yeah.
Everybody understands. Flash a map up or something. So.
Oh yeah, just do that when you're editing. All right, well let's start today's adventure and get to hiking.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Nope. Yep. Update. We are here at Norway Pass on the boundary trail. Well, we're gonna say bug pass.
Oh, the biting flies.
So many bugs. So be prepared. If you're
not mosquitoes either.
If you're traveling from the Norway Pass Trailhead, get here early because of that sun coming right over there and it's on your back. Not too many trees to cover. So we have a mile to our junction and then down to Grizzy Lake. Hopefully it's not Bug Lake. So let's go. Right here is all they call Bear Pass. And so we're gonna be going right up through it, 4,900 feet. On this episode of Mission Impossible, holy moly. Just rocking it today. That's what we do. That's what we do. Yeah. right, we need the Lakes Trail. Yeah, not right here. Oh, hey,
Hey.
how's it going? We are in
Bug Hell.
Oh, I was gonna say Bug Haven.
Oh God.
Okay, hell. We're at our turning around spot. Got a good shot of Grizzy Lake, and off we go back.
Yes.
Because it's gonna be a trek in this heat.
Whew, let's do this.
August hiking
Whew, it's
kicks your ass.
brutal.
All right,
All right, let's get this done.
let's go. Beers are coming. Beers.
All right, that is it for today's hike. Whew, it was a hot one out there.
Hot.
Hot.
August.
Hot.
Gotta love August.
Pro tip though, if you have cooling towels, get them wet the night before, stick them in the freezer with the ice pack, put them in your backpack, and they'll thaw out while you're hiking, and they'll be ice cold for you, and it'll feel so wonderful.
Yeah, not bad.
Especially when there's no cover.
Sure.
So, had a great time, 7 miles, about 1,600 foot in elevation.
It felt like twice that.
Oh, it was a struggle today,
Exactly.
but we got it done.
And up that mountain.
Whew. All right, well that is it. We're headed to go get some beers, back to town, get some Woodford, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for joining us on our PNW adventures.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye. the way down.
Hill. Woo!
It's downhill.
My favorite.
All the way downhill is downhill. How it should be.
Mm-hmm.
Not you go to the top and you gotta go back down. Because if you're out and back, yeah, I'm just rambling. Just cut this out. Because you gotta go back up on Jetto legs. Just cut it out. Just cut it. Cut it.
Cut this shit, Tony.
Ooh, baby. You're welcome.